Where are you going? Where are you off to?
Match.
Which match?
France versus Guinea of Olympic Games.
Tyler is heading to Olympic football match with his papa. France versus Guinea, and he's so ready. Hey, hey, get it, I get it.
Come,
I'm seeing you.
put the phone somewhere.
No. Hey, go Mbappe. He's so ready for his match. You guys, I'm all alone. My fridge is open. You guys, I'm all alone in my house. Woo! You can hear the echo. You guys, my husband and the kids left me this morning. They left. They go to work. I'm all alone. For the next 4 days, they are already off to the Olympics. They're already off to Paris without me because I have to work. I am not getting much time off. So I'm taking what I can. I'm getting 6 days, so I'm taking it. So when you guys see this, I think you should see me on my way to Paris the rest of this vlog, so stay tuned. The kids and babe drove up this morning. They're on their way. They haven't even reached us yet. And I just got back home from work. I was on the morning shift this morning, went to work, and on my way home, I stop and buy my favorite fruit. So good. I wouldn't say watermelon is my favorite fruit. Mango is my favorite fruit. East Indian to be exact. And I think watermelon fall in line. And funny story, I hated watermelon as a child growing up. Hated it. But I fell in love with it the past few summers. It tastes so good. It is healthy, it's juicy, and I get some of the best watermelon from the place that I buy watermelon. I buy my watermelon from one specific spot. When I don't buy my watermelon from there, it just tastes horrible. If I buy my watermelon at the supermarket, it tastes bad. And you see me digging in this because this is going to finish by I eat dinner. All of this is going to finish. I buy an entire watermelon. Then this piece. And then by Thursday when I have to leave to the airport, this will be done. I'll be eating it. Sometimes I eat watermelon to the point where I have diarrhea. That's how much I love watermelon. Anyway, you guys, stick and stay. I don't have anything much to tell you. So the next vlog you'll see is me heading to Paris through the airport, I think. All right. Anyway, you guys, bye. See you guys later. All right, here am I on my way to Paris. Olympics, I'm coming. Team Jamaica, we're coming. In the airport, checked in already, and have my flight in 2 hours. But Team Jamaica, we're here, flag in hand, ain't forgetting it. Yeah, so my flight is on time, but I have 2 hours to sit and do nothing. So here we go. In the airport is not too busy though. It's like normal. I was expecting it to be more crazy, but it's okay. Anyway, I am going to find a seat and sit somewhere until my gate come up on the screen. Then I'll head there. Alright guys, bye. See you guys later. On to the plane we go. Paris is coming. Woo! Let's go, Team JA. Ah, she in her dress representing already. Look at them down there. Hello. Hi. Me? I'm looking at you. Look at Tyler down there. Stella, be careful. It go next door. Reunited with my babies. And we're ready to take over Body. Body.
Mama,
Yes?
what you did for coming here?
You're not gonna come here, so I won't tell you. That's okay. Stay down there. Mama going back inside, okay? I'm upstairs on the balcony. Look at them and the auntie. Sarah! Say hi. All his camera ready. Ty, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Have her busy doing art and craft, some kind of games they're playing. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right now. Hopefully, you guys will look forward to all the other Olympic happenings. Bye, guys.